Alright guys, I figured today would be a good day to do the first on-camera drive with the 357 small block. It's running really good. I've driven it around a little bit today and yesterday, and it's got a little temperature in it, but not a whole lot, so it's still a little bit cold. We're going to start it up, go for a POV drive, and I will say the only issue with it currently is it has a low RPM misfire at light throttle. I'm confident that that's the distributor. I've had these little cheap HEIs do that to me before, so I'm pretty sure that's what the issue is, because the carburetor feels good everywhere else, except I still need to get some, I probably need to put some smaller secondary jets in it, because it has a little trouble once you get into the secondaries, just because it is a big carburetor on a smaller engine. Come on. It's got oil pressure, that's all that really matters. You know, guys, I've actually been having a lot of fun driving this 357. It's nowhere near the power level of the old 383, not even close, but man, this is a fun little setup. And its cam chops pretty good, actually.